Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about FaucetPay.io, one of the most popular crypto micro-wallets used by people who earn cryptocurrency online. If you've ever used crypto faucets, offer walls, or microtasks, this platform might already sound familiar. FaucetPay.io is a crypto micro-wallet designed specifically for receiving and managing very small crypto payments. Instead of sending tiny amounts directly to your personal wallet, which usually comes with high fees, FaucetPay collects those micro earnings in one place. The way FaucetPay works is simple. You sign up, get a wallet address, and then use that address on crypto faucets, PTC sites, offer walls, or reward platforms. All your small payments are credited instantly to your FaucetPay balance. Once your balance reaches the minimum withdrawal amount, you can send it to your personal wallet or exchange it for another cryptocurrency. FaucetPay supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Dash, and even stablecoins like USDT. It also offers a built-in exchange, allowing users to swap coins directly inside the platform. On top of that, FaucetPay includes earning options like paid-to-click ads, offer walls, surveys, games, and a referral system. FaucetPay is ideal for crypto beginners, faucet users, and anyone earning small amounts of crypto online. It's also popular among website owners because FaucetPay provides an API that makes payouts fast and easy. That said, it's important to remember that earnings from faucets are usually small, so FaucetPay works best as a collection tool, not a long-term storage wallet. To sum it up, FaucetPay.io is a convenient solution for managing crypto micropayments without high fees. If you're active in the faucet or micro-earning space, it can save you time, money, and hassle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto content. Thanks for watching.